If you see the try again later message on Instagram, it usually means that Instagram has temporarily limited some actions due to unusual activity or technical problems. So here's how you can resolve this issue. First of all, you have to wait for the restriction to lift. This error is often temporary and you may just need to wait. Instagram usually applies these restrictions for 24 to 48 hours after unusual activity like mass liking, commenting, or following. You can avoid any actions on the app during this period to prevent further delays. So be patient and the restrictions should lift automatically within a day or two. You can also check your internet connection. A weak or stable internet connection can cause problems with Instagram, so make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network and then try toggling the airplane mode and then off to refresh your connection. If possible, switch to a different Wi-Fi network to see if the issue persists. Now try clearing the cache. Clearing the app cache can improve performance. For that, go to System Settings, scroll down and go to Apps. From here, you can search for Instagram application. And once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down and go to its storage and then click on Clear Cache. After that, restart Instagram and check if the error is gone. You can also try logging out and log back again. Logging out and back into Instagram can sometimes resolve the issue. So go to your settings, scroll all the way down and click on Log Out that is highlighted in red color. Click on Log Out to confirm and then enter your credentials once again and try logging into your account. Besides that, you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram application. It can help if there are corrupted files. So uninstall the Instagram from your device by simply tapping on it and then click on Uninstall. Go to App Store or Google Play Store and reinstall the application. Instagram may impose restrictions if you engage in too much activity in short time, like example following, unfollowing, excessive liking, commenting, or following and unfollowing many accounts quickly at the same time. So Instagram might view this as a spammy behavior and apply temporary restrictions. And moreover, you can also check for Instagram server issues. Sometimes the problem lies within the Instagram server rather than your account. And you can also visit Instagram's official social media accounts or websites for announcements about this server downtime. You can also check the third-party sites like Down Detector to see if others are experiencing the same issue. Besides the Instagram application, you can also try to use the web version. Go to Instagram.com, click on Login, and then enter your credentials and then log into your account. If you can access the Instagram on the web, the issue is likely specifically to the app. And also report the issue to Instagram. If none of the above solutions work and you still get the error, report the problem. Describe the issue and Instagram may assist you in solving it. So by following the simple steps, you should be able to fix the try again later error on Instagram. So most of the time, it's a temporary restrictions and you will be able to use Instagram again after a short wait. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.